Hey guys, it's the first white Christmas in like 10 years I think, and of course I'm out here in an empty parking lot about to do a couple circles and hope I don't go into those fucking potholes over there. But yeah, oh fuck, my whole ass leg is wet now, Jesus Christ. But yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see if this car makes it. So far, brand new tires, so we're pretty good, but I have a jack in the trunk, so it's giving me a lot more traction than I want. So let's see how it is. I'm gonna set the camera down and just go for a couple donuts. My e-brake doesn't work, so the car just rolls, but it's okay though, it still slides, which I'm happy about. So the car did okay. I'm actually really happy with this car. It doesn't drive anything like my other rear-wheel drive cars. I have an E46, and I used to have a BRZ, and also a 740. But this car is like the best handling one so far. Like, it's pretty awesome. It does exactly what I want it to do. It slides out when I want it to slide out. Otherwise, it drives perfectly normal and straight, which is pretty awesome. And we're in another parking lot. This is the Appleby Go station. And no one slid here yet, which is kind of cool. So we're gonna be the first ones. So I'm gonna set the camera down and then we're just gonna go for a rip. This SMG, it's such a good trans. Like, it's way better than like a 2016, 2015 Infiniti G37, and that car is like 10 years newer than this. It's insane how good this trans is. And driving on the street too, like, you have grip. It's not like you don't have grip. It's, even though it's a rear wheel drive car, you feel like you're planted. It's actually really cool. And those fucking downshifts, they're amazing.